Good morning, class. So today we will continue our lesson about the Philippine traditional games. And the classification that we are going to tackle are the games of strategy. So, do you remember when you were a child?
Tema? Kristal? Ang init-init at sa labas pa rin kayo? Pasok!
Welcome to today's video. Patintero, also called Harangang Taga, involves two teams played, an attack team and a defense team, with 5 players for each team. There are no materials fit in this game, only the players themselves.
The mechanics of the Patintero. The objective of the game is to cross the rectangle back and forth without getting tagged. One tagger is usually assigned per crosswise line. Taggers can only move along the respective lines, with the exception of the tagger on the first line who is regarded as a team leader or the patotot.
Let's move it in! Bukod ka, mahamsam ta!